Welcome back. Every great idea starts with a spark, but how do you ensure that spark lights up the world and not just someone else's pocket? That's where intellectual property rights, or IPR, steps in. Let's discuss how different fields are affected. 1. Businesses, empowering innovation and protection. For businesses, IPR isn't just a legal safeguard, it's a strategic tool. With expert research and consulting, businesses can uncover untapped opportunities, mitigate risks, and assess the chances of getting patents or trademarks approved. Empower your business to stay ahead of the competition. Example, Apple Inc. Apple is a master at leveraging IPR. From the iconic iPhone design to its user interface, Apple files patents and trademarks meticulously to protect its innovations. This ensures that competitors cannot replicate its unique features, helping the company maintain a competitive edge and a premium market position. Imagine you own a bakery and invent a unique cake design. Without IPR protection, a competitor could copy it and take credit. Filing for a design patent ensures your creativity is protected, just like Apple protects its products. 2. Higher education, fostering innovation in universities. In higher education, the future is built on innovation. IPR awareness in universities and colleges fosters a culture of creativity. Students and researchers are encouraged to create, protect, and even commercialize their intellectual assets. Imagine a world where every campus becomes a hub of groundbreaking ideas. Example, Stanford University and Google. Google's founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, developed the PageRank algorithm while at Stanford. The university patented the algorithm and licensed it to Google, earning millions in royalties while enabling the founders to commercialize their innovation. Think of a student creating a groundbreaking app in college. By understanding IPR, they can patent the technology, ensuring their hard work leads to recognition and potential profit. Inventors and creators, IPR for everyone. From lightweight vehicles to life-saving alarms and eco-friendly materials, IPR impacts everyone. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or a young innovator, understanding and using IPR ensures that your creativity and hard work are recognized, protected, and rewarded. Example, Velcro by George de Mestral. The Swiss engineer George de Mestral invented Velcro after observing how burrs stuck to his dog's fur. He patented the idea, which became a multimillion-dollar innovation used in fashion, sports, and even space travel. You might stumble upon a solution to an everyday problem, like a better way to organize wires. With IPR, you can turn your idea into a profitable invention, just as Velcro revolutionized fastening systems. 5. Entrepreneurs, turning ideas into assets. Example, Sara Blakely and Spanx. Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx, patented her innovative shapewear idea before launching her brand. This ensured no one could copy her concept, allowing her to dominate the market and build a billion-dollar business. Imagine starting a small business with a unique product. Filing a patent ensures your innovation remains exclusively yours, much like Spanx's success story. And finally, how can we forget the example of Tesla and Elon Musk? Tesla, led by Elon Musk, strategically uses patents to protect its electric vehicle technology. At the same time, Tesla has released some patents to encourage industry-wide innovation, showcasing how IPR can balance protection with collaboration. Think of working with an IPR consultant who not only protects your ideas but also helps you decide when sharing your innovation might benefit your business. With the right guidance, your ideas can transform industries, just like Tesla's. By relating IPR to these real-life examples, businesses, educators, students, and innovators can better understand how intellectual property impacts their lives and why protecting it is crucial. IPR isn't just for one group, it's for everyone. Inventors, researchers, creators, businesses, entrepreneurs, if you have an idea, IPR is your strongest ally. We are here to help you unlock the true potential of IPR. Whether it's through research, consulting, or awareness programs, we'll help you harness the power of IPR to achieve success. So, take the first step today. Protect your ideas, fuel your innovation, and shape a brighter future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your comments below.